Hello everyone, welcome to Shanta Lakshmi IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the environment current affairs of the August month. And specifically in this video, we are going to first look at species in news. So our first topic is Himalayan vultures. So why this Himalayan vultures is in news? Because India's first captive breeding of this Himalayan vulture has been successfully conducted at the where Guwahati Zoo at Assam. And this captive breeding was a joint program of this Bombay Natural History Society and the Assam Forest Department. So both this Assam Forest Department along with Bombay Natural History Society has successfully conducted the India's first captive breeding of the which species? Himalayan vulture. So here coming to this Bombay Natural History Society, it is a non-governmental organization mainly focused for conservation and protection of biodiversity. It is also a part of BirdLife International. And this Bombay Natural History Society has been designated as the Science for Center and Industrial Research. And this Bombay Natural History Society is designated as the Science and Industrial Research Organization. And coming to the Himalayan vulture. So this is the Himalayan vulture. Coming to the features of this, it has a So this is the Himalayan vulture. Coming to the features of this, it has a bald white head, and a white neck ruff, and also it has broad wings. It is a high altitude vulture. And its habitat, it is distributed in the Himalayan ranges, that is the Tibetan Plateau, and also it also sometimes found in the Central Asian mountains. And what is the IUCN status of this Himalayan vulture? It is near threatened. So IUCN status is near threatened. It is found in the Himalayan ranges and also in the Central Asian mountains, and it is a high altitude vulture, and it is a winter migrant for India. So this is all about the Himalayan vulture. So the news is all about the Himalayan vulture only. But what we need to study for exam, that is the whole vultures in India. So how many vultures are there in India? There are 9 vultures in India. Out of this, 6 are Indian residents and 3 are winter migrants. So what are those 9 vultures of India? So first one is this white-rumped vulture. It is also known as the oriented white-billed vulture. This is how it looks like. And what's the IUCN status? Its IUCN status is critically endangered, and it is found in the South and Southeast Asia. Next one is slender-billed vulture. Its IUCN status is also critically endangered. It is found in the sub-Himalayan ranges and Southeast Asia. And next one is Indian vulture. It is found in India, Nepal and also Pakistan. Its IUCN status is also critically endangered. And next one is red-headed vulture. It is also known as Asian king vulture, Indian black vulture, and Pondicherry vulture. And what is its IUCN status? It is also critically endangered. And the next one is Egyptian vulture. It is also known as white scavenger vulture. It is found in the Iberian Peninsula and North Africa plus India. Its IUCN status is it's endangered. The next one is bearded vulture. Its IUCN status is near threatened. And the next one is griffon vulture. Its IUCN status is least concern. And the next one is cinereous vulture. Its IUCN status is near threatened. It is also known as monk vulture or black vulture. So what are the 9 species of vultures of India? That is white-rumped vulture. Its IUCN status is critically endangered. Next, slender-billed vulture. It is also critically endangered. Next, Indian vulture, critically endangered. Red-headed vulture, critically endangered. And Egyptian vulture, its IUCN status is endangered. And bearded vulture, its IUCN status is near threatened. So these all 6 bearded, Egyptian, red-headed, Indian, slender-billed and white-rumped vultures are the residents of India. These are the 6 resident vultures of India. And what are the other 3? The other 3 are griffon vulture, cinereous vulture and the first one Himalayan vultures. These 3 are the winter migrant vultures of India. So vulture conservation action plan. We all know that vultures are very important part of our ecosystem services. These are a natural scavengers and these vultures are also considered as natural soldiers for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So it is important to conserve these species. In regarding these only, India has come up with this Vulture Conservation Action Plan 2020-25. So what it does? It prevents the poisoning of vulture food. We are all aware, right, that diclofenac is one non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. It was responsible for this one drug was responsible for the heavy loss of vultures in India. So that's why it was banned in 2006. So this Vulture Conservation Action Plan sets up for prevents the poisoning of vulture food. It prevents the poisoning of vulture food by ensuring the safety, and it also conducts safety and testing of these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and it also provides and it also provides for establishment of vulture conservation breeding centers. In India now currently there are 9 vulture conservation breeding centers. Some of them are at Pinjore at Haryana, then Rajabakta at West Bengal, Guwahati, Assam, and one more recently set up at Uttar Pradesh for the red-headed vulture, and also the regular monitoring related to the safety passages for vultures. So this is all about the vultures.